yeah, the guys here are great, exclusive. Found the van online, it's perfect what we need for work. Exact spec that we needed. The guys were really helpful. We got it turned around pretty quickly. It's exactly everything that we needed, and it's the van was what we expected. So everything's clean. As you can see, it's absolutely fantastic condition, and the rest of the stuff they've got here is as well. But yeah, would use the guys again.